Hi friends, Suzanne here. Welcome to another Card Kit of the Month video. In order for me to send you this card kit right to your Canadian mailbox, all you have to do is enter this host code when you're shopping with me. It's that easy. There's more information about this card kit and my loyalty rewards at my blog, sunstampin.com. For this month's card kit, I am featuring the Thankful Garden stamp set. I'm using a tiny little leaf in the stamp and the sentiment that says thankful for you. So this is Lost Lagoon. I'm inking up the tiny little leaf and I'm going to have them blow from the bottom corner to the top right corner. And we're probably going to cover most of it up with designer series paper. I'm using the Everyday Happiness DSP. It's more for scrapbookers. I think it was showcased in the scrapbook brochure. And I know we have so many like little brochures and catalogs and annual catalogs and online exclusives and kits and all that. We have a lot of product for you. So I certainly hope that you enjoy that, that we do have a lot of product. You can see all the supplies I used today listed below in the video see more section in YouTube or in the supply section of my blog. And of course, those fast links are going to take you to my Canadian online store where I would love the chance to meet you and earn your business. My absolutely pleasure it was to die cut all of these rectangles for everybody. These rectangles are called the textured note dies, and every last one of the rectangles have a different impression and they are different sizes, so they're nesting. I gotta say, it's my favorite new thing right now. So I'm just putting on the designer series paper. Of course, you don't have to go and buy this stamp set, but you could use whatever stash you have. But if you do, I'm happy to send you, if you do shop this month, I'm happy to send you this card kit. And I just wanted you to know that this will be the last host code that you'll have to use. Next month, we will not use the host code, and I'll still send you the card kit if you shop with me. So thank you so much for spending time with me today, for all your comments, all the thumbs up, and all the YouTube-y things you guys do. If you haven't subscribed yet, please consider it. It really helps my small channel grow. Thanks again for watching, and bye for now.